Take a ride in the 2019 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.